What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. This video right here is for all my guys that just want to maintain their hair properly. I got you. Let's go. Hit it. I'm making this video because I realize as a barber that I've been doing this for a long time. Sometimes I might expect guys to maintain their hair more than they want to. So this video is for the guy that just wants the simple, basic things to maintain his hair. You ain't looking to do anything extravagant. You're just like, hey, Uncle G, I want my hair to look good. That's all I care about, and I don't want it to fall out. The number one thing I want you to do is use a leave-in conditioner. And I want you to use this at least 3 times a week. And the reason why you're using this leave-in conditioner is because it's going to moisturize your hair. When your hair is moisturized, it helps it maintain its healthiness. And also what this leave-in conditioner is going to do is it's going to make your hair smell good, shine when you go out in that sunlight, soften your hair. If your hair is thinning, it's going to help promote growth to your hair. If you want waves and curls, it helps assist that. The second thing that I want you to do to maintain healthy hair is wash your hair. This is Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture and Repair Shampoo. This adds another layer of moisture to your hair, so you're getting double layer in one. So when you use the leave-in conditioner and the shampoo, that moisturizes your hair times 2. So you're getting double moisture. Another thing this is going to do is this is going to clean your hair. Now, you don't want to walk around with dirty, stinky hair. Have y'all ever heard of stink head? Stink head, no, that's not what that woman gave to you, fellas. Stink head is when you walk around, everybody knows that that's your head stinking. They ain't saying anything to you. They just walk around like, yo, y'all smell that? Y'all smell that? You're like, no, I don't smell anything. That's because it's you. You're the one with the stink head. So in order to eliminate the stink hair, we want to clean your hair so you won't get dandruff, so your hair won't be dusty, it won't be dirty, it doesn't look like Santa Claus's beard. This helps clean your hair, and this also reduces thinning to your hair. So if your hair is thinning and it's falling out, this shampoo helps strengthen your hair. These are the 2 basic things that I want you to do to your hair. Condition your hair with the leave-in conditioner and wash your hair. Fellas, if you do these 2 things, you will maintain healthy hair. This is the bare minimum. Now, I'll be honest, you can do more, but if you don't want to do more, it's okay, guys. Just wash and condition your hair. I'll leave a link in the description to the Dixon 1737 leave-in conditioner and shampoo, and you'll maintain healthy hair. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about the video, or what video do you want me to do next. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.